Do your kitchen cabinets look used, outdated, or tired? Discover cabinet refacing with Armoires Gros, the leaders in Quebec. Bring them to life without replacing the whole kitchen. Our skilled team of experts guarantees a spectacular transformation of your cabinets. Each project begins with a free consultation to understand your every need. Doors and drawer fronts are available in a multitude of sizes, styles, and colors. A polymer pre-glued sheet is applied to all visible sides, matching perfectly with your new drawer fronts and doors. Refacing is fast, ecological, and radically transforms your space. Modern finishing touches will add sparkle and give life to your new kitchen. Result: a kitchen where your family can unite to eat great food and admire their newly refaced kitchen. For your kitchen cabinet refacing, trust Armoires Gros. Transform your space without breaking the bank.